alak, and I'm going to make crispy fried squid. The first step, squid to the flour, and then dip to the egg, and roll to the breadcrumbs, and fry it. Golden brown, turning around. And it's turned golden brown. Now it's cooked. Now I'm gonna tail it. I'm gonna show you how to make the garlic sauce. First, put the olive oil to the mayonnaise. And then put the garlic to the mayonnaise and olive and mix it. And when finished, this is the sauce of the crispy squid. So this is the crispy squid with aioli.